Bullish Mana value forecast is 82 cents to $1.61. Decentraland costs could likewise reach $2 soon. Mana negative market cost expectation for 2023 is 29 cents. In Decentraland cost expectation 2023, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about Mana to examine the future development of the digital money. What is Decentraland? Decentraland is the local badge of Decentraland, a decentralized computer-generated simulation stage. Mana was sent off in 2017 as an ERC20 token. Clients buy different in-game resources utilizing Mana. They additionally get casting of ballot rights by holding Decentraland tokens. Decentraland sends two unique tokens, Mana and Land. Mana fills in as the administration token and advanced cash of the task. Land are the local non-fungible tokens that address the plots of the metaverse. The novel elements of Decentraland convinced famous brands to introduction to the metaverse. Beginning from Samsung to JP Morgan, they laid out their activities in Decentraland. Strangely, crypto fans from Arizona embraced Decentraland to orchestrate their first metaverse marriage. Decentraland value expectation 2023. Decentraland stands firm on the 41st footing on CoinGecko at the present time. Mana cost forecast 2022 is made sense of underneath with a day-to-day time period. The above diagram of Mana laid a climbing channel design, otherwise called the rising channel. The upper and lower pattern lines interfacing the increasingly high lows separately seem to move inside a rising incline. Essentially, this example is by and large a quality of a bullish pattern. As of now, Decentraland is in the scope of 75 cents. Assuming the example proceeds, the cost of Mana could arrive at the obstruction levels of 82 cents and 98 cents. On the off chance that the pattern turns around, the cost of Mana might tumble to 65 cents and 59 cents. Decentraland backing in opposition levels. The diagram underneath shows the help and opposition levels of Decentraland. The outlines show that Decentraland has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. Assuming this pattern proceeds, Mana could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its opposition level at $1.61. As needs be, in the event that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of Decentraland could dive to nearly 29 cents, a negative sign. Decentraland value expectation 2023, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Decentraland is displayed in the outline beneath. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. At present, the RVOL of Mana lies underneath the end line, showing more fragile members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal of Decentraland is displayed in the graph above. At present, Mana is in a negative state. Prominently, Decentraland cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is totally descending. Hence, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of Mana whenever. In the meantime, the overall strength list of the Mana is 71.14. This implies that Decentraland is in an overbought state. Nonetheless, this implies a significant value inversion of Mana might happen in the impending days. Thus, dealers need to painstakingly exchange. Decentraland value expectation 2023, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional list of Decentraland. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development and the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above outline addresses the ADX of Decentraland. Presently, ADX of Mana lies in the scope of 53.90, so it shows an exceptionally impressive pattern. The above diagram additionally addresses the overall unpredictability record of Decentraland. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of Mana lies over 50, demonstrating high instability. As a matter of fact, the RSI of Decentraland is at 71.14, hence affirming a potential purchase signal. Correlation of Mana with BTC, ETH. The underneath outline shows the cost examination between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Decentraland. From the above outline, we can decipher the value changes of BTC, ETH, and Mana are moving in a comparable pattern. This shows that when the cost of BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of ETH and Mana likewise increment or abatement separately. Decentraland value expectation 2024 to 2030. Various elements are considered while determining costs, including volume changes, cost varieties, market cycles, and comparable coins. How about we anticipate the cost of Decentraland somewhere in the range of 2024 and 2030? Decentraland value forecast 2024. Assuming the declining cost activity totally dials back in force and the pattern turns around, Decentraland could most likely achieve $3 by 2024. Decentraland value expectation 2025. With a few redesigns in the organization, Decentraland could enter a bullish direction. In the event that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Mana could revitalize to hit $4 by 2025. Decentraland Value Expectation 2026. In the event that Decentraland supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, Mana would mobilize to hit $5. Decentraland Value Forecast 2027. If Decentraland supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, Mana would energize to hit $7. Decentraland Value Expectation 2028. In the event that Decentraland supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, Mana would energize to hit $9. Decentraland Value Forecast 2029. Regardless of the patterns in the exceptionally unstable crypto market, if Decentraland holds up areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years, it could drive critical cost rallies. Hence, by 2029, Mana would hit $11. Decentraland Value Forecast 2030. In the event that financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on Decentraland, it would observe significant spikes. Mana could hit $13 by 2030. And, with persistent upgrades in the Decentraland organization, we can say that 2023 is a decent year for Mana. Consequently, the bullish value forecast of Decentraland in 2023 is $1.61. Then again, the negative value expectation of Decentraland cost forecast for 2023 is 29 cents. Besides, with the headways and moves up to the Decentraland environment, the presentation of Mana would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $5.85 very soon. In any case, it could likewise reach $2 assuming the financial backers accept that Mana is a wise interest in 2023. 1. What is Decentraland? Mana is the local cryptographic money of Decentraland, a blockchain-based metaverse. Decentraland was sent off in 2017. Clients can buy and exchange resources the Decentraland biological system utilizing Mana. 2. Where might you at any point buy Decentraland? Decentraland has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, Coinbase Trade, OKX, Upbit, Bybit, and FMFW.io. 3. Will Decentraland come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and redesigns inside the Decentraland stage, Mana has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of Decentraland? On November 25, 2021, Decentraland arrived at its new all-time high of $5.85. 5. Is Decentraland a wise interest in 2023? Decentraland is by all accounts one of the top acquiring digital currencies this year. As per the kept accomplishments of Decentraland in the beyond couple of months, Mana is viewed as a wise interest in 2023. 6. Could Decentraland reach $2? Decentraland is one of the dynamic cryptos that keeps on keeping up with its bullish state. In the end, on the off chance that this bullish pattern proceeds, Decentraland will hit $2 soon. 7. What will be Decentraland cost by 2024? Decentraland cost is supposed to reach $3 by 2024. 8. What will be Decentraland cost by 2025?